Hello everyone, and welcome to break 4108 for the 2020 the Panini Immaculate Collegiate Basketball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, January 7th, 2021. It's 10:10 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:10 p.m. Central Time, and 7:10 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Disneyland with 1 spot, Terry B 3, Nichno 2, MDK 1, Ravishing Rob with 3, Soccer with 1, I Chef Around 1, Reds 2, Styles 1, Gator 1, Gross 1, PJZ with 1, Jerdo 1, Sachs with 1, Micah 1, Goss 3, Johnny Z 1, Cool Hand Bay 1, Carvella 1, Everyday 1, and Winslow with 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our teams for the break. Disneyland on top, Will on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Carvella on top, Terry B on the bottom. Carvella has the Hawks, I Chef Around Celtics. Will Nets, Disneyland Hornets, Ravishing Rob Bulls, Johnny Z Cavaliers, Terry with the Mavericks, Styles Nuggets, Micah Pistons, Soccer Warriors, Goss with the Rockets, Terry B Pacers, PJZ with the Clippers, Ravishing Rob with the Lakers, Gross with the Grizzlies, MDK Heat, Cool Hand Bay Bucks, Jerdo Timberwolves, Gator Pelicans, Sachs with the Knicks, Reds with the Thunder, Ravishing Rob Thunder, Nichno 76ers, Goss Suns, Nichno Trailblazers, Reds Kings, Everyday Spurs, Goss Raptors, Will Jazz, and last but not least, Terry B with the Washington Wizards. All right. Good luck, everybody. And again, we'll look up each card to see who they are currently playing for. Empty. Sealed and sealed. Left side, right side. Put this down a little bit more. Okay, let's see what we have here. All right, let's see what we have. We'll start with Killian Hayes, 17 out of 20. So again, each card we'll look up to confirm who they are currently playing for. Okay. We have Gerald Henderson, Immaculate Inc., 7 out of 25 for Duke. Very nice. And we have a redemption We have Immaculate dual auto of James Wiseman. So we potentially have a randomize here. And Precious Chiwa. So 2 players, potentially 2 teams. So we'll talk about that more in a little bit. And then we have, ooh, check that out. Magic Johnson and Larry Bird. If the camera would focus. Let's get back. Check this out. There we go. Larry Bird, Magic Johnson, 9 out of 10 dual auto. So the redemption's a dual auto. And then we have Magic Johnson and Larry Bird. Nice. Then we have Jalen Smith, 19 out of 25. And last but not least, Aaron Smith, jersey auto out of 49, 47 out of 49. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. See who they are currently playing for, or if they're retired, like Magic Johnson and Larry Bird. If someone's retired, who they played for the longest. All right, cool. So let's start with Aaron. Aaron Smith. Boston Celtics. There we go. Boston Celtics. I chef around. Congrats. Okay. Then we have Jalen Smith out of 25. Jalen Smith. Phoenix Suns. Going to Goss Kev -0. Congrats. And then we have our Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, dual auto, 9 out of 10. So we'll confirm. We all know who they played for, but I like to be consistent here. So Magic Johnson, the Lakers, of course. So we have Ravishing Rob. And then Larry Bird. Larry Bird. Boston Celtics. So, between I Chef Around and Ravishing Rob, we're going to have the Boston Celtics and the Lakers. We will randomize 7 times. And look at that one last time. We'll randomize 7 times, and after the 7th time, whichever team is in spot number 1, that's who's getting the card. So good luck. Celtics, Lakers once, twice, 3 times. So whoever's sitting in spot number 1 after the 7th time, card's coming to you. And that will be the Celtics. That's Ice Chef around. Congrats. All right, sweet. Then we have Gerald Henderson out of 25. All right. So we have, let's go back to that for 1 second. So Gerald Henderson. So that's going to Charlotte Disneyland. Congrats. Then we have Killian Hayes, 17 out of 20. Detroit Pistons. Going to Micah. Congrats, Micah. And then we have our redemption. So we'll randomize between James's team and Precious if need be. So James Wiseman. So we have the Golden State Warriors. Let's pick a different color here. Let's go orange. And then Precious. And Precious is Miami. So that's MDK. So we're going to have another randomize. Now we have the Golden State Warriors and Miami Heat. So soccer and MDK, good luck. Whichever team is sitting in spot number 1. After the 7th randomize, the redemption of the Immaculate Dual Auto is coming to you. 5, 6, and lucky number 7, Miami Heat. That is MDK. Let's go purple and bold. All right, cool. All right, guys, that was break 4108 for the 2020 Panini Immaculate Collegiate Basketball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next, we have break 4132 for the 2020 Panini Origins football card box. Thanks.